Hello my wonderful viewers, it's hot, isn't it? In this video, I want to share some finds with you designed to bring us comfort and coziness during this unbearable heat. At least, that's what the manufacturers of these products claim. And today we'll test whether the advertising and expectations match reality. Let's see what I come up with. So, we have a cooling sheet, then cooling insoles. This is a cooling blanket. It's very thin. I didn't forget about my beloved pet and ordered a cooling mat for him. And finally, we have cooling pads that stick to the body. Judging by customer reviews, these pads relieve headaches and migraines. I don't have headaches, so I won't be able to test them for headache relief. But we will test them for a cooling effect. So where do we start unboxing? Shall we start with the blanket? I don't know how it works. The fabric is cold. It creates a feeling of coldness. Let's look at what it's made of. The fabric is 90% polyester and 10% spandex. The fabric is thin and stretchy. It's very heavy. It feels like you're holding a high-quality item made of natural silk. I'll test it out and share my impressions. At this point in unboxing, I really like it. Look who's here! It's my cat! He feels like I bought him something that will help him cool down in this unbearable heat. Let's unpack this pet mat. The manufacturer claims that this mat can be used not only for animals, but also for people. You can put it on an office chair and the chair will stay cool. So, let's see what quality it is. I don't even know what to say. It looks like a baby mat. If you're worried about your little one peeing on the sofa and ruining it, this mat is for you. It's waterproof on the inside and soft on the outside, made of synthetic material. I'm not sure how cool this mat will be, or whether it will be useful at all. But I'll put it in the cat house and see if the cat likes it. I won't disturb the cat now. He's a clean boy and always washes himself. Just look how gracefully cats wash themselves. Despite all my skepticism, surprisingly, I liked the mat. Look at the cat's happy face. It's hard to say whether the mat is suitable for people. I haven't tested it. But for pets, it's worth buying. While my cat Kuzma watches the birds outside the window, I want to unpack the insoles. The manufacturer claims these are cooling insoles. Thanks to them, you won't feel hot even in extreme heat, and your feet won't sweat. I'm not sure this advertising is reliable. I'll test these insoles and share my impressions. At this stage, what can I say? The insoles are very ordinary. The material is synthetic, soft, and elastic, not orthopedic. In any case, I'll test them and let you know. Are they worth ordering? I specifically bought sneakers just for the sake of experimentation. Girls, I was disappointed with these insoles. They are very hot and I didn't notice any cooling effect. So the manufacturer is misleading us. And here's the source of the noise in the background. Kuzma's cooling pad didn't last long. Let's unpack the sheet. I hope it will be comfortable to sleep on, even in extreme heat. After testing it, I'll be sure to share my impressions with you. The sheet is thick. The fabric is soft, smooth, dense, non-stretchy, and very beautiful, with a subtle pattern. The sheet is available in different colors. I ordered gray. The sheet has an elastic band, so it's easy to put on the bed. Let's look at the fabric composition. Ice silk. What does ice silk mean? Most often, it's a viscose fabric combined with synthetic materials. The fabric's weave is dense and porous, capable of instantly wicking away heat and quickly evaporating moisture, creating a pleasant feeling of coolness. After testing it, I'll be sure to share my impressions. I hope this bedspread doesn't disappoint. I tested this bedding, and what can I say? I like it. I wouldn't say it has a cooling effect, but it's comfortable to sleep on even in the hottest weather. The fabric absorbs moisture well and doesn't get hot under your body. I like the sheet the most. I don't know how it works, but when you lie on it, you don't sweat. The fabric maintains a stable temperature. It doesn't get colder, but it doesn't get hot either. I'll say this. If you're not sure what to order, go for the sheet. We also have cooling patches. The manufacturer claims that these patches can reduce body temperature. They are used to reduce high body temperatures in extreme heat and can also be used to cool a smartphone. The patches are hypoallergenic, contain menthol and fruit flavors, and do not require refrigeration. Let me apply them and tell you about my impressions. These are hydrogel patches. The healing water and menthol create a cooling sensation. The manufacturer claims their effectiveness lasts up to 8 hours. Well, customer reviews claim that at 40 degrees Celsius, the patches last no more than 30 minutes, and if you sweat heavily, they slip off. They are very comfortable. Also, menthol can cause skin irritation. I don't have an allergy, and they did not cause any skin irritation. However, I did not feel any noticeable cooling effect. Therefore, I cannot recommend these patches to you. Dear viewers, this concludes the unboxing. I hope you found this video interesting and useful. I look forward to seeing you in future videos.